Hello guys, thank you for watching my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get an updated notifications. So today we are unboxing another G-Shock with model number GA-2000S-1ADR and the module number is 5590. So let's unbox. Here you can see we got a Casio-GShock International warranty card and a G-Shock Casio model number 5590 user guide. This user guide comes in multi languages. Inside the paper box we got again a metal case in a black standard color with G-Shock logo embossed. So let's open the tin box, and inside the box we got our G-Shock in black color. So as you can see, this G-Shock is a unique model which is different from all the other standard G-Shocks with big buttons across, above and on the side of the G-Shock, plus resin material band for toughness. So it's a combination of resin plus rubber material, as you can see with the pattern above the band. Here you can see a carbon core guard body. Here you can see carbon car guard for more toughness. You can see the unique serial number of this watch as well. So very good, very different G-Shock model from the regular or the other G-Shock models. Silver buttons across for the adjustment of time from different zones, alarms, again 200-meter water resist, mineral glass, and not only that, it is 84 gram on weight. Very nice. As you can see from the inside, the dial is in black color with negative display. So it's an analog and digital display. It will give you analog as well as digital time. You can see the date as well as month. So a very beautiful, very unique, a very different model of a G-Shock. Looks very amazing. It's a GA-2000S series of a G-Shock, which comes in multicolor. So black, military green, white. These are few of the colors of these G-Shock. A very good pattern band and a full packed carbon core body. So very beautiful watch from G-Shock. Hope you like this video. Please do watch my previous videos for different variants of G-Shock to get more information on each model. So until next time with more variants of G-Shock, signing off, take care, bye bye.